Hey guys, this is Krista out here at Johnson RV. We are America's #1 premium pre-owned RV dealership. We do carry some new lines. This is one of them. I'm super excited to talk about it. I'm glad we finally brought on a fifth wheel line, and this is a great quality product. I'm excited to show you. This is the CrossRoads Cameo, the 380RK floor plan, and I'm so excited. Let's take a walk around the outside and then we'll go inside and show you what's up. So first of all, let's start about with your fifth wheel hitch. This Rotoflex gives you a nice smooth ride as you're going down the road because it does rotate with you. But check it out. Your batteries, you are actually true wired for a generator. It is just a drop and play, and I'll show you that when we get inside on what I mean about that. Things to know about the Cameo. Every single Cameo, think 2, 2, and 2. You've got 2 awnings. You've got one here, one on that backside. 2 AC units in 2 fireplaces. I will show you those when we get inside. You've got your propane tanks that are going to be here. You've got one on the other side as well. You can easily remove those, go fill them up. Check out how much storage it is. So much storage. You can take all your stuff, all your gear. Maybe you want to live in this. It is a 4-season fifth wheel, so you can be, you're really well insulated to be in cooler temperatures or warmer temperatures. As you know, a lot of people think 4-season and think it's just about being cold, but that's not true. You want to obviously be well insulated to keep your cool in as well. You guys ever been in a fifth wheel where the steps are a little shaky as you're getting in and then you're like, oh, and you feel like you might fall through it? Well, these are a MORryde step system. It's actually a true step system, really solid. Not gonna feel that wobbly anymore because they're super solid. They actually fold up into your coach when you are traveling, so you're not getting the rocks, the chips, you're not getting any way to damage them, which is really nice in something like this. Dual axle that you've got underneath. You've got a great warranty on this. You've got warranties. It's one thing that's great. Any questions, I can answer them all. I can definitely find them out for you. They warranty everything down from your roof, your floors. You've got a 3-year structural warranty, which is really great, especially when you're buying new. I mean, you want to make sure that what you're buying, it's going to be backed, right? 50 amp shore power here. You do have a hitch on the back. Maybe you want to take bikes or put a motorcycle on the back, or some states allow you to tow 3 long. You can do that with this guy here too. Rear ladder, that way you can check your roof. Maybe, I mean, if you wanted to sit up there, I guess you could, if you wanted to, but at least you can get up there if you needed to. Dump tank is gonna be over here. You do have auto leveling. It's a one-touch leveling button now. You don't have to worry about cranking anything. Literally one touch, you're done, done. Let's keep going this way. You've got another dump station here as well. All of your controls, all of the power is gonna be right here. One convenient location, all of your tank, dump stations, your outside shower, your city connections, your potable fills, everything. Super simple to get to. This is your other propane tank that we were talking about as well. You do have a plug and play for solar on this as well. If you did have a solar panel external, just go ahead and plug it in. Let's go inside. Hey guys, welcome back inside this 2020 Cameo 380RK. Look at this thing, it's so beautiful. Let's go through a few of the things that are really cool about this, and then feel free to call me with any more questions. One, obviously we're in the kitchen area. It's kind of nice because you've got this nice corner, a lot of counter space. Look how big all of your appliances are though. Anybody that's looking at things know to get a bigger oven, bigger cooktop, even a bigger microwave can be really hard to do. All of these are very big, very spacious, so you can actually fit a lasagna if you needed to. But check this out. Look how big this sink is. You've got an onboard cutting board here. It's literally almost like a restaurant. Like, that's how cool this is. Obviously a springy little neck for your, I can do puzzles. So that way you can spray around. Maybe the kids are messing up and you can. Nice big double door fridge here to, again, take a lot of stuff with you, which is always really nice. Lots of storage. Look how big and deep these are. Maybe those crock pots are things you don't use all the time, but you can still take them with you. Plenty of storage here as well. Really cool. I don't know if you guys noticed, I did tilt the TV towards me. Maybe you're watching a recipe and you're cooking as you go along. This whole TV actually comes out, rotates, is on a swivel arm. This is one of your 2 fireplaces that are in here. Nice ambiance, but it also gives off heat, which is kind of nice too, because maybe it's not really cold. Just want to take the chill off. This will do it for you. Obviously, you've got your dinette area here. If we swivel all the way around, 2 recliner chairs, heated, massage, amazing. Really comfortable. You can recline all the way out, which is really, really nice. And a tri-fold sofa that's going to be here. This is what this floor plan is. That's why it's such a cool, unique floor plan. Really residential almost. You were plumbed for a washer dryer if you wanted to. If not, you've got an amazing hanging closet. Take a bunch of stuff with you. But I don't know, maybe you want to stand up your balcony and say, hey, cook me something. You can. Heading up this way, you've got your bedroom. Again, pretty unique. Nice big bathroom is going to be obviously to your right here. Nice seating area in the shower if you did want to relax for a little bit. And back this way, this is, you just can't even. You've got opposing slides on both sides. Open this baby wide up. All of this is storage on your sides. Your fireplace down below for some ambiance here. Obviously, you've got a TV, nice big storage. Check this out though. Nice big window for you to relax, read a book, stalk your neighbors, whatever you want to do. You can, but it just opens up this whole room, which is so comfortable. It's just homey. Nice big king size bed. You're not fighting for like space anymore. This thing is truly amazing. Again, you've got 2 AC units on this, ducted the full way, which is really nice. Keep you cool, really well built. If you have any questions, give me a call. Krista at Johnson RV, 503-668-5400. Have a good day.